We also demo and we display every Savant controller they have. So what I mean by controller, right? So you've got your hard button controllers, you've got your switches, you've got, as you can see, your touchscreen. You've also got your remotes, and then finally you've got obviously an iPad. So I just dimmed the lights to kind of show you, but what I want to do is I actually want to show you. So I basically just pressed our good night scene, and what that good night scene did is it's time to go to bed. I'm in the living room, and I'm ready for the theater to be done. I want my shades going down for privacy, and then as you can see, we've got another room here, which is our living room setup. This really displays home automation at its best. Theater screen went up, lights have turned off, shades have went down, and now I'm ready for bed. You know, I've got my beauty rest in, I'm ready to go, it's morning time. I'm gonna come over to my keypad here, and I'm gonna hit the good morning macro, and what that's gonna do, it's gonna light up the house for me.